This is a tutorial on how to draft the close-fitting bodice block, and I will be referring to Winifred Aldrich book on pattern making. I'll also be using the metric system and the size code number 10. Miss Shala and Miss Sophia both requested this video. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded the content, but I am back and I still commit to share tutorials with you every Sunday. To start the draft, first we need to draw a vertical line and another line perpendicular to it, and we will just label the corner A. Measure 1.5 centimeters from A and we'll mark this B. B to C is equal to the nape to waist standard measurement. D is equal to the arm side depth plus 0.5 centimeter is, and D will be the bust level while C will be for the waist. For the back neck opening, this is measured from A, and with the French curve, we just connect E to B. For the shoulder slope guide, simply divide the arm side depth by 5 minus 0.7 cm and measure this from B. Place the tip of the tape measure from E and slide it until the shoulder measurement plus 1 cm reaches line F. The 1 cm that we've added here is for the shoulder dart intake. Measure 5 centimeters down from H and 1 centimeter to the left of it. Connect H and I and mark the shoulder dart. Next is divide the bust circumference by 2 and add 5 centimeters of ace. Mark this L. For O, this is back width divided by 2 and we add 0.5 centimeter of ease to it. For the front neck opening, please follow the formula neck size divided by 5 minus 0.7 for S and minus 0.2 cm for T. Next is to divide the chest measurement by 2 and add half of the dart mentioned on the standard measurement, and then we will mark this U. Mid of this line, we will label this V. For the bust apex, this is placed 2.5 centimeters from V, and this is the highest point of the bust. The dart intake for a size 10 block is 7 centimeters, and this is measured from S. Then we just draw the dart from S to V1 and X to V1. Measure 1.5 centimeters down from G and draw a horizontal line towards the front bodice. Slide the tape measure to this horizontal guide from X for the standard shoulder measurement. Mark 2 centimeters and 2.5 centimeters at a 45-degree angle from U and O respectively, and use the French curve to draw the armhole. Marking the front and back darts and the side seams are pretty straightforward. And so at this stage, just make sure that the legs of the shoulder dart are of the same length, and this also applies to the side seams. And lastly, for the waist shaping, we simply extend 1 centimeter from M and start folding the pattern at the side seam and at the front waist dart. Use the French curve to blend the new waist dart line to the back dart, and please don't forget to redraw the dart legs. This existing dart can always be manipulated to the mid-shoulder or to the side seam. And this is how you draft a close-fitting bodice block using a standard measurement for sizes 6 to 12.